Hi everyone, and welcome back. Some of you may remember about 8 years ago, I launched the Mark I version of my pie making system. That machine was pretty successful. Then along came my struggle with cancer and of course the big COVID scam, which effectively put everything on hold. By that stage, the system had already evolved and was sitting on the Mark IV model. Anyway, due to my health issues, I have been out of commission for almost 5 years, with what I hope was my final operation during July 2025. During my recovery from the operation, I was unable to do anything physical, so I started designing the Mark V version of the pie-making system. This is the most significant jump in its evolution so far. The machine includes a cast alloy frame, interchangeable molds for 3 different sized pies or tart shells, 2 different sized mini pie or tart shells, and a mold for sausage roll pastry. The system also includes a unique pastry portioning system for each respective pie size, a newly developed filling and crimping station, and complete training via online video. So whether you're a home industry, takeout, restaurant, or wholesale food manufacturer, this system will more than cover your needs. This system will be available from the 15th December 2025 for South Africa and bordering countries. I am looking for distributors in North America, the UK, Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. Anyone who is interested can contact me directly through the email in the description below. Until I have lined up a distribution network in these countries, the system will not be available there, but I will keep everyone updated on progress. Here's a quick demo of how the production line works. Place the puck of pastry into the pie foil. Place the foil in the mold. Cover the pastry with separator plastic. I use foiline bread bags, but you can use cling wrap or any other type of thin plastic film. Rotate the arm of the press until the mold closes. Hold it for 3 seconds to allow the pastry to spread, and you're done. Repeat until all of your foils are molded. For the lids, place the pastry puck in between a folded foiline or plastic sheet. Position the puck over the middle of the mold and close the mold. Hold the press for 3 seconds to allow the pastry to spread. Remove the lid from the mold, and you're done. To fill and cap the pies, place a molded foil into the filling station. The station should be on top of your scale. Fill the pie with the appropriate weight of filling. Place the lid on top of the pie. Make your vents in the lid, then cover the lid with the same foiling from the lid. Use the crimper to seal the edges of the pie. Your pie is now ready to go to the oven or freezer, depending on whether you're selling baked or frozen unbaked pies. To close, anyone who is interested in the system and would like to get their name down before the official launch on December 15, 2025, please email me using the link in the description. I am working out a special discount for early birds. For viewers in North America, UK, Europe, Australia, and New Zealand, please send through an email and I will gladly send a distributorship proposal. That's all for today, folks. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you again real soon.